I win. Oh. Hello everybody! How are you today? I am sat in the back of the car. Why am I sat next to you? Oliver's there. Hello Oliver.
Hello.
Alana's there. Hello Alana.
Hi.
We, as the weather is nice, it is sunny for a change, Alana isn't working, so we are taking the boys to the beach and we are going to get some fish and chips, aren't we?
Yep.
Looking forward to it?
No.
Stuff your face. And we have this ball here because we're going to play some football. You going to play football on the beach, Henry?
No.
No.
Balls are there.
You don't want to play football on the beach?
You might say balls not allowed.
The balls are allowed on the beach. Do you want to play football? You've got your rabbit. You can't do anywhere without that rabbit. So that is what we are doing. I hope you are having a nice day. I hope wherever you are, the weather is nice like it is here. We are going to enjoy it. And we're going to enjoy it now.
I did it.
See you.
What's the mummy?
I can see. It's food time, my favourite time is food time, food time. Oh, what's Henry got? Oh yeah, golden chip. Oh, Henry's got chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets. And chip. Oh, they're hot. See what I've got in my delicious box. Hang on, it's hot, Henry. Oh, wow, look at those. Those are battered chips. Oliver. Look at all my gold chips.
Oh, they gave you 2 small sausages?
Yeah, 2 small sausages because I wanted a jumbo. Wanted a jumbo, but 2 would do. I'll let you have some of my gold chips.
No.
Right, we're going to smash our faces now, yeah? Smash our faces with food.
No, let
Smash
me
our
have
faces
a
with
little
food.
one.
What, have you got one?
Yeah, one.
Is it push the chips? Can't
Yeah,
see.
another one. I got 2.
Emma. I'm not going to make that mistake again of giving them chips. That was well scary. Did you see how close they were to me? Literally like flying past my head. I'm probably covered in poo. Look at your face, ketchup boy.
Yeah, we need to clean you up.
Do you want to play football on the beach? Ball beach?
Ball beach.
Ball beach.
He said it.
Do you want to come or stay here?
No.
Out the door.
What do you want to do?
No. Play football.
What do you want to play on the beach?
You want to play football?
We found, it looks like a little baby jellyfish. We found a little jellyfish. Stella. we are now going to have a competition. See who can keep their feet in the sea the longest. It's freezing. You got a big bogey on your foot. You got a big bogey.
Yeah.
I'm not touching the big bogey. You got a sea bogey on your foot. Oliver's got a sea bogey. Sea bogey. Sea bogey. Drama, the boat's blown away. Oh no. I'm not getting that, Oliver. The can is too far out. Great, I'm gonna have to go in and out to get the. Back in the car now. I don't know if you was able to hear me at all then during that little bit, but if you couldn't, what just happened was Oliver kicked the ball. It was so windy, the wind blew it into the sea, and then the sea just took it away. We couldn't get it, could we?
Yeah.
We lost it.
Yeah, it was Daddy goes in water and get it.
Well, I tried to, but the sharks might come. The sharks might have come, so I couldn't go.
Swim.
No, Oliver, weren't there sharks?
What? Sharks will eat you.
Yeah, so we had to leave it. So now, and we also as well, when we stood in the sea, we were seeing who could stand in the sea the longest, and whoever went out first didn't get ice cream, but we both went out at the same time, so we're both getting ice cream now, yeah? And that's what we're doing, getting ice cream. Wow, what ice cream have you got, Oliver? What have you got, Henry?
What is that?
And strawberry. What have you got, Alana? I've got this, which isn't what I was expecting. Cookies and cream. Looks like a s'mores. Alright, we're going to stuff our faces with these now. And you're going to get it absolutely everywhere, aren't you? Yeah, eat it then. Mmm. What's the matter with that?
And if there's a
Huh? Don't like it? No.
you're allowed to race with your mum.
Right, I'm now back home, and as you can see, I've just had a shower. The boys are in bed, and Alana is in the bath, and she's going to go to bed in a minute. The battery on my camera ran out, so I couldn't vlog anything, so I've just had it charged. So I've just come on in now to end the vlog, so I'm sorry if this is a bit of a short ending. I just want to say a massive thank you again before I go to everyone that has subscribed. All the nice comments you really leave, I really appreciate it. Me and Alana are going away this weekend. We are going to Manchester, so if you're there, might see you. Well, I'm really looking forward to that. It should be quite good just to get away for a couple of days. The boys are staying here with her sister, so that's going to be nice. So that should be a good couple of vlogs coming up anyway. So but until then, I will see you right here. Goodbye.